sorry, my background voice is on. Okay, now I'm closing. So yeah, as I decided that I'm after coming from college, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, but I didn't did it anything except just I have made the one sketch. But making a sketch is not going to be work. We also need to handle the something or the scenario, like we also need to focus on our main thing, which is really important. So yeah, I'm thinking to start my streaming, and yeah, now I'm giving you the little bit summary that what I'm going to do. So currently the timing is 12:33 a.m. So till 2 a.m. I'm going to do the Swift, and the topic function is, I'm thinking that it's quite becoming a difficult for me. So that's why I am going to complete. First of all, I'm going to complete the function topic right now, and then after that, which topic? Okay, wait. After the function, there is topic called optional. Okay, optional and collections. Collections means array and dictionary set. Okay. So after the function, there is another topic called collection. In collection, there is array and dictionaries. So yeah, this all the topics I want to cover in Swift. So from 12:34 a.m. till 2:30 a.m. I want to complete the Swift function and array topics. Okay, and then yeah, after the Swift, um, so 12 to 2 Swift, and then 2 to 4 DSA, and yeah, uh, DSA still my binary tree topic is running, and then 2 to 4 DSA, and after 4 to 5 I want to complete a one little sketch which I was started, and there is some there is just a shading is remain, so I want to complete that first, and then 5 to 7 I will do the MySQL. So this is just a quick summary about me, which I am going to do this 2:35 a.m. till 7 a.m. and then 7 a.m. I want to close the streaming and packing the bag, getting ready for the college, and then 7 to 4:30 in our college. That's it. This is the routine. We don't have anything like I can give the name of fun. This is the stuck scenario is over here. So yeah, without wasting the time, you as well as mine, I'm going to start my work. But before starting the work, I am really very excited to let know that what all of you are doing. Please let me know in the comment section if you are watching my streaming right now. So please let me know in the comment section what are you going to do. Undefined, there is, you are planning to stay up whole night. Yeah, exactly. This is the only the option I have, and nothing. And this is not the first time which I'm doing. From 10th grade, whatever the stuff I'm handling, it's night time. I'm not a kind of person who get up early at 4 a.m. and having some motivation to do, because if I take in a nap, so it's going to be complete disaster. Means then I have to complete the 8 hours of sleep. So I don't want to take the risks. Instead of, it's the best option to stay motivated and try to do some stuff, just coding, and put your Bluetooth or a headphone and listen the music and do your work. I don't have any other way to. Okay, background music is too loud. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot about that. Now the music is closed. Maybe now, maybe now I'm audible, right? And what about the sleep sister? Okay, I don't know if, see, currently I'm in the second year, and third year, fourth year, it's just the ending of the life. If we didn't get a proper placement, or we don't have a some platform where you can stand out. So it's really very important to sell your soul for now and do something, and after that everything going to be perfect. Yeah, but your body need a rest as well. Yeah, exactly, because health is wealth. I know that. When I fall sick and I don't have ability to do anything else, even prepare for the examination as well. So but I don't know, for now I have the ability to do some stuff. So okay, yeah, and let me know in the comment section what you're doing right now. Maybe many of you are going to sleep, but yeah, take a sleep if you completed your work and you utilized it your whole day, because it's the best option to take a sleep instead of scrolling. Okay, and I also think the same. That is the best that you are. Can't you manage with college? No, it's impossible. If you think that this all the stuff I manage in my college, so it's definitely impossible. Sometimes I also don't carry my laptop in college. You don't need to be night, you can still get placed. I don't know, you see, it's important. Okay, we don't behave like that we having a lot of confidence. I don't think so, because the situation I have seen currently, the situation, see, uh, I don't want to take the risks. Currently, if I didn't started the DSA yet, there is the two types of the student. First one is the fast learner who just complete the stuff and keep remind about that. If you just do the revision is enough. But about me, so it's a different story. I'm a very slow learner. Whatever the time it will be take for you to learn the 10 days, it's completely different for me. I'm going to take that 20 to 13 days to learn that same stuff. So our IQ, so it's different. Do you think about either doing DSC or doing skill or any side stuff? So yeah, I for now it's crazy, right? Strangers are more nice in people. Strangers. Yeah, exactly. I also think the same. Yeah, see, for now I'm going to do the Swift for 2 hours, and then I will start DSC. For DSC there is only the theoretical topics, so that means my Swift code and DSC code is not going to be merged, because Swift is all I'm going to write the code, and the DSC is the theoretical topic, binary tree. And then I'm going to make the sketch which going to be help me to get fresh. And after that, yeah, exactly, then after that I'm going to start my SQL. Maybe many of you have watching me my streaming from 2 days before, so I started my SQL yesterday, yeah, and haven't and till now I haven't completed. This is really very slow process. I didn't even imagine it, the how long it will be going to take to complete the MySQL, because after MySQL I also want to start the PostgreSQL. So yeah, without wasting my time as well as your, I wish that you all are also doing your work. And yeah, don't scroll, okay? It's very bad, but it's not done. But it's not done. What is the mean? Don't feel bad, sis, but I think you should sleep at night and also take a one topic per day. Yeah, exactly. This is the great idea, but you know what? The Swift, but it's not done. Yeah, yeah. I haven't completed my SQL, right? I only completed the 1 hour of the lecture, and the whole strength of the video is 3 hours. Don't feel bad, but I think that you should sleep at a night and also take a one topic per day. Yeah, exactly. You are right, but okay. Let's see if if I feel tired and I feel like that I'm giving up, so I definitely going to close the streaming and take the rest. But for now, I'm thinking to cover the topic. So okay, yeah, and yeah, let me know in the comment section if how many months remain for the second year to end. Yeah, my second year is started in August, August September. Yeah, this is the second month of my second year. So you are asking the ending, okay? This is September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Yeah, I have a 10 months. Yeah, I have a 10 months to end. Okay, yeah. Now I'm going to start the MySQL. Sorry, Swift. Okay, wait, let me read the comment section. What's going on over here? Yeah, she's an annotated mentor. I don't know, just see. The reason why I'm following the annotate because uh, I don't know what he was doing and how he was handling the social media. I don't know about anything. See, I only following him because the way of his communication and whatever he was uh, telling the talking about the society and education is sometimes I feel like that he was exactly true due to some few points. So that's why the reason I'm following him and nothing else. Okay, and see, annotate, I suspect this all of I don't know them, what they're doing, anything. I don't know anything about them. But the thing I know is whatever he was telling about the society and the education. Sometimes it's exactly correct, right? Because just you only imagine that if the hard work is exactly works. So I have seen the people who is living in my environment in my area, they are doing the unexpected hard work. Someone of them are just taking a 1 or 2 hours of the sleep. Just imagine that why they can't able to make the money as compared to rest of others people. The reason is that the now in this era the hard work is not making a sense anymore. If you're not doing the I'm not demotivating you, you are actually thinking ahead, but the health is yeah, exactly. I can able to understand you, and you are also the correct as per your point of view, and yeah, exactly. Because health is wealth. If I died tomorrow, so this all the streaming and my grades is not going to be matter anymore. I know that, but 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 the problem is that if I have a ability to sit and complete and type something on the keyboard or the note, write it down, and if I don't want to sleep, so it's much better to just staring the roof. It's much better to do some stuff, right? Because see, for now I have the ability to do my work, so that's why I'm doing it. And yeah, when the examination will be start, so I don't have the ability to do the DSC topics and all, and I'm sure that after the examination I'm definitely going to forget all of them. Then again I need to start it. This is the scenario, and I've up yeah, because in future I want to apply for the iOS development, that's why. And yeah, from Jan there is the open source is going to be start. So I also want to apply for it. So for applying for open source, I must to need to solve the bug. And you know what solving the bug is that the mean at least you need to know what you are doing. So that's why I'm preparing myself for the open source. And when you prepare for the open source or the hackathons, So it doesn't matter whether you are going to select or not, but at least you're going to get a good connection, you know. During my first year, I was applied for the open source, but then during the submission of the proposal, I haven't submitted because of my sem 1 examination. And they told me that when if your examination will be start, and if you can't able to compete with us, so we not going to select you. And that's why I thought to apply for this open source next year. For open source you should do some full stack project. Yeah, exactly. Maybe you heard, maybe now to just follow plan. Yeah, yeah, I know. And now now this is now the starting of the October, there is lot of PRs are open, means pull requests are open on GitHub. So just I need to prepare myself for it. By the way, please okay. Sorry, I haven't seen the comments. Shubham, please explain CAT Linux file create. Okay, I have only the basic knowledge about the Linux because during my college practical, I uh, in college PC there is the two option Linux and the Windows. So always the practical is like is they our practicals are going proxy. So I used some of the command in Linux, so I can able to help you for creating the files. I'm writing down the command in comment section. Okay. By the way, whether you are asking about command or what, because CAT Linux, which I can only able to understand that you are asking about command, right? Command for creating the file. Wait, I'm writing it down in comment section. So I think you should probably set up your internet connections. Your Wi-Fi has been given a lot of problem in the past few days. Yeah, exactly. Maybe I don't know, but the Wi-Fi connection is working good in during the day, but maybe this OBS is absorbing the large amount of internet. I think that, and at the same time, my battery. I'm also facing the battery issues. A connection is causing a problem from time to time. Yeah, exactly. But uh, while using the Xcode, I didn't even realize that the internet connection issue is happening. Okay. No. See, I have written the command in a comment section for creating the file. By the way, let me know how long you are using the Linux. And if you want to view the file, so you can able to write the cat uh, cat cat notes.txt. This is this command for wait viewing the file. I think that the Shubham is gone from this. He was not watching the session right now, but I'm literally sorry. I didn't see your comment. on credit for viewing the file and also creating the file. Yeah. After the January, I'm going to start using the Linux. Not right now. By the way, Codex, please let me know how long you are using the Linux. Because sometimes I think that the Linux users are really very smart. I didn't downloaded the Linux features because I think that I don't think so that I'm going to download the Linux on in this Mac. So I'm going to use the PC for Linux. Because as much I know, there is the more probability to lose your like I think that I'm definitely going to lose my storage. That's why.
From one screen to the other. And it's not magic. I'm here to tell you that it is not magic. It is not some like weird thing that the computer is doing.
Okay, no, I'm not doing it, but I'm thinking to downloading it a few days. Yeah, exactly. Because one of my class teachers, she told me that when she was doing the internship, so you also have to add in the resume like how long the Linux you are using and which version. Because I also came to know there is uh, many types of the version in Linux. Okay, and I thought I came to know about Ubuntu, like something I have noted somewhere. Okay, yeah, Ubuntu or in VM learning terminal basic. Okay, just I only want to learn the basic because all I want to apply for the iOS. So only I want to know the basic like understanding the files, permissions, user, package manager, and learn the shell scripting and get comfortable with Linux server and SS. Linux is a heavy for coders and programmers. Yeah, yeah, Linux is a heaven. Okay, yeah, exactly. So I only want to learn the basic because I think that it's literally important. Like whatever the code we are practicing right now on VS Code, that only the same we have to do on the Linux. So the code syntax is same, but the way of using is it's going to be a different.
You have to manually move
By the way, some whether you are asking these questions to me or this question is for Codex. See, if you asking this question to me, like, well, what your ultimate goal and what you want to do, it's mean what you want to become. So yeah, if you are asking this question to me, so I totally want to apply for the iOS development. The reason I am covering the web development topic and all, because currently for participating in hackathons or applying for the open source, I am so I also want to know the basic knowledge of web development. And you already know that if you want to give the interview in any top company, so you at least you anyhow you have to face the DSA question round. Okay, you asking to me, so I want to go for iOS development. Yeah, I want to go for the iOS development. At the same time, I also want to handle my YouTube channel, and this is some. That's why I told, like, I only want to learn the basic of Linux, because if if I'm getting the placement with the help of if I'm getting the placement on campus, so they definitely going to ask me the question based on the Linux, or the first or second day of my job I'm going to use the Linux. So Linux is important. Like, if I didn't got the iOS development role, so that's why it's much better to at least I need to know the basic of Linux. That's why I told that. And Linux is important. It's also look a very smart. Dream or any, it's fine. Okay, listen. For iOS development, it's see, there is many companies. You already know. Okay, wait. Let me search that. Which companies are hiring the iOS developers? As much I know, the is going to become on the top. There are many companies, even IBM. First time I came to know about that. Yeah, there are many companies. There are many names which I am hearing for first time. Terralogic, IBM, even Infosys. And there is company called Epic, which is located in Mumbai. And Visions, okay. Zomato, Swiggy, Instamart. Why are you wasting time here? I don't know about the Zomato, Swiggy, this all the companies. Yeah, I know, but I don't know about this whether the Zomato is hiring the iOS developer or not. Yeah, they need the developer, you know, but uh, iOS is the different topic. By the way, sorry, I haven't read it, the comment section. Okay, wait. You are, you are probably feeling sleepy. Yeah, exactly. I thought to take a 1 or 2 hours of the break, but you know what? If I take in the break, so I'm directly going to get up during the college time, and this is what I don't want to do. Just my thinking is that I don't want to leave my life only for college. Nice work. I am a Swift developer. Okay. Currently I'm just started this Swift, so I'm completely beginner. People here in a chat telling her it's not the right way, but she is not listening. See what I want to tell you. My routine is completely worst. Just if I went and then I directly get up only for the college, and then after coming from college, I will feel very tired. So that means I can't able to do something, like I can't able to manage my skills work or the things that I like to do. So that means I'm living 24 hours only for my college. And what about rest of the work? So that's why I thought to during night time I will manage my all the extra work, just like the learning the new programming languages, and at the same time managing my YouTube channel, and also making a sketch. Okay, this is the different part. And then after, and I will go, I will attend the lecture, and at the same time during the lecture I will complete my assignment and submit it. And after coming from college I will take a break, and then I will complete my sleeping hour during evening. So this is how my routine works. By the way, am I audible? Click on the top chat options, left corner of the right. Okay, okay, wait. yeah, in Swift I completed the function topic, and now I'm thinking to start the DSA. And yeah, once again I'm doing the DSA with Java. And yeah, now the currently the timing is 2:33 a.m. So please let me know in the comment section, like what what are what are you doing? Like this is the timing, like 12 a.m. So you must be doing some studies, or which subject you are doing right now. Please let me know in the comment section. And I have downloaded the some DSC lecture which I want to complete it. And daily I'm covering the 5 lectures from DSC, and currently the binary tree topic is running. Okay, can you open the notepad? There is show uses in our notepad. Okay, wait. What all the DSC just turn around? No, this is the Swift topic. Just like I decided to do the day one first, set up the environment of Xcode and see See over here, it's the day 1 to day 100 topics, that like whatever the topics which I have to cover, I want to cover in Swift. So I just wrote over here, because during the starting of the Swift I was not aware about which topic which I have to cover first. So that's why I just collected some information, that whatever the topic I need to cover daily, I just wrote it and mentioned it over here. Just like day 1, set up the Swift environment Xcode. It's not the DSA. Yeah, the topic is looks same, like ops functions, which we already have, which we all are already completed on DSC, right? Inheritance, this all the polymorphism, classes, we object classes, this all we already know. And just the difference is that there is a difference in syntax, and rest of the topic and what exactly the meaning of topic is, particular topic meaning is, everything is same. I can able to understand that only the syntax is different, and rest of the topic meaning and everything is same. So till now I completed the function, and yeah, tomorrow I will start this day 17 to 19. I'm quite fast, but yeah, I also want to do the revision, because as I thought that I'm going to complete, and I will take the 16 days to complete the function, and over here I completed the function within 6 days. So that means I'm not covering the topics properly. This is the mistake I'm making over here, which I need to cover the topics properly. Okay, wait, sorry, my screen was closed. Yeah, this is what I'm showing to you. Maybe now it's visible, right? Wait, let me check. Yeah, now it's visible. Okay, so this is the topics which I have to cover for Swift, but the topic is exactly same. Yeah, it's looking like a DSC, like operators, condition statement, loops. This all we already have did in DSC, and string, what is the meaning, arrays, and every inheritance. This all the topics which we already have covered. So there is no difference between the topics, and the meaning is exactly same. Int, float, double string, this all the stuff we already know, and what exactly the meaning is, we know that. But only the difference is that the syntax is different, and rest of the every topic and their meaning is same. So yeah, for now I'm going to start the DSA, and in DSA I'm going to do the topic binary search tree. So yeah, I have a lecture, so I'm going to complete the complete a 5 lecture. I will try to complete the 5 lecture, because strength of the one lecture is very less, like yeah, it's 19 minutes, 11 minutes, 12 minutes, 9 minutes. So I will try to complete at least 5 lecture today, like till 4 a.m. as I decided I want to complete the DSA. So now I'm starting it, and yeah, and with the help of my cell phone I'm going to complete the DSA topic right now. Okay, okay, got it. Sleep now. You on track or else you ahead already. No, there's nothing like that. But yeah, now I'm thinking to at least complete the binary tree topic. Okay, because I have downloaded the lecture and it's just increasing the storage. So the good is that to I complete that lecture and delete it. Just clear. And at the same time, I clear my storage and then I'm going to close the streaming. Okay. So yeah, only there is the four lecture and I think that it only take 2 hours to complete it because at the same time I'm also going to make a notes. So it's not taking a much time. So yeah, sorry, I haven't read the comment yet. Okay, it is possible to show not now, tomorrow, the folder of the DSA. What exactly you following? Okay, there is some lectures that I found through this Telegram. The topics related to the binary trees. So I thought to complete from there only. And yeah, there's the zip folder, and I downloaded in my gallery. So I thought there is the more than 8 lecture of binary tree. So and the one lecture contained the more than 9 to 10 minutes of the video strength. So yeah, that's why I decided to complete the 4 or the 5 lecture right now, because uh, the binary tree topic is more theoretical. So just I need to make the notes, and that's it. And I also need to understand the topic, because the binary tree is also in my syllabus. And yeah, there is an eighth. Okay, 820. Hello, yeah, hello, welcome in this channel. By the way, I can feel that the Telegram is the best place if you want any lecture, just based on the like in any topic you can able to find the lectures. If like if whatever you want to, just search it once, and if you are getting it, so it's like there are many courses, I have seen for the Python, Java, there are many courses, even the courses batch video lectures from every top platforms. I don't want to take the name, but you already know about that. Like whatever the top paid platforms are providing their course lectures are available on the Telegram. So yeah, that's why love the online world, the social media, where you can able to get the things very easily and without making any excuses. So this is what I always tell, and I feel like that everybody has is that the group. Yeah, I have seen there is a many public group also. And the folder which I was following is the private group, and I also know the many of the public groups. You can able to search it, you will get it. Just search, type the name of the platform, and then enter in the channel, or maybe you can able to get the specifically programming like specifically programming language that you want. So yeah, I'm not just exposing something. Okay, you can able to get anything from where you want, but as much I know, the Telegram is best also for if you want to save the file, video, any images for a long term purpose. So you can able to do that. What this is exactly I always do. There are the many PDFs I have for the my SQL interview purpose, and this all the interview purpose PDF. So I kept stored on Telegram, and it's also not required a lot of much storage. Just you upload it, and whenever you want to use it, then you download it. So yeah, this is the journey of my folder and the topic which I'm doing right now. Then yeah, back to the lecture. By the way, whoever the watching this live streaming right now, it's 3 a.m. and I wish that all of you also doing your study and not wasting your time, right? So I wish that you all are also doing the study, and So yeah, right now the device which I'm using, my Mac is streaming. My Mac is heating very much. So I'm thinking that the best option is to take a 1 hour break, and then I will start the streaming again. Like a 4:30, yeah, 4:30 a.m. I will start the streaming again, because so for now I'm going to use the PC, and because now the Mac is just burning up. I can able to feel the heat is it's really very much, because at the same time I'm also charging the battery, and also using the OBS, the tools which is just burning the tools of my Mac, and I'm thinking to close this, just give a little bit rest. So then once it get uh, once everything get normal, then I will start again. So yeah, for now, and I will start the streaming again 4:30 a.m. And right now I'm closing this, because for DSC I only have to use the cell phone and nothing else. So yeah, thank you very much for attending, and always supporting me, and like, subscribe, and everything is just motivating me a lot. And thank you very much for everything. And I wish that I will keep the streaming continue after the 4:30.